Best remedies to clear out your arteries. Number 12. Omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3 fatty acids, present in various oily fish, nuts, and seeds, play a crucial role in maintaining cognitive health and supporting a robust heart. By elevating high-density lipoprotein, HDL, or good cholesterol levels and mitigating the adverse effects of the bad cholesterol, omega-3s prevent blood clotting and inflammation, both of which contribute to artery blockages. Number 11. Garlic. Despite its impact on breath odor, garlic, when crushed and ingested, releases allicin, a compound that significantly reduces the risk of heart disease. Allicin disrupts cholesterol production and retards the oxidation of low-density lipoprotein, LDL. This combination creates an ideal scenario for maintaining clean and healthy arteries. Number 10. Pomegranate. Known for its challenging eating process, pomegranate, with its abundance of phytochemical antioxidants, safeguards arterial walls from damage. Additionally, it boosts nitric oxide production, which, contrary to its intimidating name, facilitates vessel dilation and enhances blood flow, thereby lowering the risk of clots and fatty deposits. Number 9. Niacin. Also recognized as vitamin B3, niacin is commonly found in chicken, organ meats, and leafy greens, playing a pivotal role in cardiovascular health. It raises HDL cholesterol levels and eliminates the perilous low-density variants by transporting them to the liver for removal. Number 8. Turmeric. Beyond adding a flavorful kick to meals, turmeric, with its active compound curcumin, stands out as one of nature's potent anti-inflammatories. This not only diminishes arterial inflammation but also reduces fatty deposits, known as plaque, by an impressive 26%. Quite a remarkable contribution from a pinch of spice. Number 7. Vitamin C. Vitamin C, found abundantly in citrus fruits and various vegetables, is crucial for maintaining healthy connective tissues. Apart from supporting arterial health, vitamin C enhances immunity, reducing inflammation and the risk of plaque formation. Consuming just one orange daily can significantly lower blood pressure. Number 6. Beans. Beans offer a natural avenue for unclogging arteries due to their high fiber content. Serving as an excellent plant-based protein source, they are associated with lowered levels of bad cholesterol and triglycerides. Adding beans to your diet is simple. Throw them into soups or incorporate them into salads. They provide another effective way to naturally aid in unclogging arteries. Number 5. Walnuts. Walnuts are linked to increased arterial flexibility and reduced inflammation and cholesterol levels. These nuts contribute to maintaining the elasticity of arteries, demonstrating their effectiveness in promoting heart health. Number 4. Vegetables. A diet rich in green, leafy vegetables, alongside broccoli, cauliflower, and cabbage, is crucial. These foods have been correlated with decreased plaque formation, lower levels of bad cholesterol, and a reduction in atherosclerosis. Number 3. Berries. Whether strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, or blackberries, berries are packed with fiber, minerals, flavonoids, and antioxidants. Their consumption aids in reducing bad cholesterol and vascular inflammation, making a berry-rich diet a natural way to unclog arteries. Plus, they are delicious. Number 2. Olive oil. As a cornerstone of the Mediterranean diet, olive oil boasts significant anti-inflammatory properties. With its high polyphenol content, researchers believe it positively influences blood vessel inflammation and overall cardiovascular function. However, be cautious with its relatively low smoke point, as high-temperature cooking may introduce some carcinogenic properties. Number 1. Exercise. Exercise is a crucial aspect to consider when addressing the risk factors associated with atherosclerosis or clogged arteries, especially if you are dealing with obesity or diabetes. Engaging in regular physical activity helps reduce these risk factors. According to the American Heart Association, the recommended exercise is 150 minutes of moderate exercise per week, equating to about 30 minutes of exercise 5 times a week. What causes clogged arteries? Wondering about the factors behind clogged arteries? Your risk increases if you lead a sedentary lifestyle, lack regular exercise, or engage in minimal physical activity. Obesity is another risk factor, along with smoking or having high blood pressure. A high-fat diet, especially rich in animal fats, trans fats, or saturated fats, also heightens the risk of clogged arteries. Additional risk factors include having diabetes and a family history of atherosclerotic heart disease. Stop bad habits that lead to clogged arteries. Discovering ways to naturally unclog your arteries involves breaking unhealthy habits. If you're a smoker, quitting is essential. Steer clear of diets high in trans and saturated fats while incorporating alternative foods like oats or beets. There are numerous steps you can take. However, the most crucial aspect is ensuring consultation with your physician and nutritionist before making dietary changes. If leg arteries are clogged, a procedure may be required to restore circulation. The point here is that while natural remedies are beneficial, it's not an either-or scenario of medicine versus natural solutions. A holistic approach to healthcare involves using natural remedies and making lifestyle changes under the guidance of your physician, while also acknowledging the need for medications or procedures when necessary. If you enjoy the video, don't forget to like it. And please share our videos with your friends to support our team. Thank you, guys, for tuning in.